Once upon a time, there was a Kia bird named Kee-Kee, and she was very upset. "Help me, Toy, help me." "What's wrong?" asked Toy. "Every time the travelers come and visit us in New Zealand, my family and everybody, they get to, they pet them, but they don't go near me, and I don't get no maps and food and get to take all their stuff that they have out of their car." "Well, I'll fix it," said Toy. And Toy taught Kee-Kee how to tap dance. And then the next time a traveler came, they stopped the car, and Kee-Kee flew on top of the trunk and started tap dancing. La dee 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 dee. And everybody said, "Look at that Kia. She's tap dancing." And everyone ran to her, and she got to steal all the stuff out of their car. She said, "Thank you, Toy. Thank you for teaching me how to tap dance. I love you." And she lived happily ever after. And now we're going to listen to some music. Stay there. Let's listen to some music here. Let's listen to some music.